On the Analytics tab, you can see the full analytics for your Teams account. In the print history, you will find a list of all the print jobs made in this Teams account. You can download a CSV file with all the results. These results can be filtered by printer, group, or user and can be sorted accordingly. On the Print Activity drop-down menu, you can find analytics for your group and its subgroups. Back on the Analytics tab, you can directly access analytics for all groups, analytics for a specific printer, analytics for a specific user, and lastly, analytics for a specific workflow. All the graphs can be filtered in time by clicking on the calendar icon and selecting the date range. Information shown will be automatically updated, but it can be instantly refreshed by clicking on the refresh button.